mag-join kami kay Jackie. Yes, yes, English. English. English, CJ, English. 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 Ako na kaming kadumdum sina. Shush. I am recording a video. Okay? I'm joining. Okay, join quickly, quickly. Stupid monkey. Ini stupid nigga. Boss. Sis na sa akong channel. Today guys, we are surviving a ship that is sinking. Can we do it? It's flying low. Wait. Up, gagad ko ang sinakyan ko. Gagad ko. Tarik! Johnny is driving. Yes, I am driving. I am gonna push it into an iceberg. Today guys, I have a friend. Say hello. Hello. My name is Sukuna Labor 58. Yes. It's Roblox thing na tutunin. Alam mo ito din. Signal. The Wi-Fi is bad. Yes, very bad. Something like this is gonna clean up, well. All existence. Go away. Just kidding. I don't know guys, but I am laggy. Guys, lag. So, I am on Wi-Fi guys. Lagab mo Wi-Fi, bad. I'm joining back. Wi-Fi bad naman guys. Guys. Bad Wi-Fi naman. Guys, the Wi-Fi is bad. Yes, the Wi-Fi is bad, guys. Tawang iceberg, guys. Let's watch the iceberg. I'm in the game. Let's see our ship. Guys, let's see my ship. Let's see if what are you doing? I'm gonna see my ship. I didn't look in the back. I think it's the back. It's a bit laggy. I'm in the game. Guys, I'm in the game. It's not you guys, but it's not you guys, but it's actually in the game. Don't touch anything. Stupid. I fall in the map. Let's leave guys. Leave guys. If I say something you don't understand, it's because I'm speaking Filipino. We're speaking Bisaya. Guys. We're gonna race. Okay. We're gonna race guys. And whoever wins gets a toy car. Whoever wins got a I call on the purple car. Red car. If you didn't see last episode, we did this. Yeah, we did this. We're in the same house. Yes, we're going to our favorite map. Right? I'm in the game. Guys, we're playing about 10 minutes. So, yeah, we're playing about 1 to 2 minutes. I'm 1 to 10 minutes. So what did it? Let's start here. Let's start here. Sigma boy. English. That's English, girl. Sigma boy. I'm ready. We lost our car, guys. Guys, we lost our car. Guys, I have a solution. Leave. Okay? We're joining my private server. Because that's how we simply got our victories. Yeah, if you want to play this game, it's free. It's named Roblox, and if you want to play the game we're playing, it is Drift Carts. No. Shopping Drift at Black Smart. Yeah, that's the name. If you want to play. I want it. Today, guys, we're playing Darkness 999 play. If you want to add friend me, and I'll give you 20 Robux each. So run to join me. Gusto ko na lang for 50. And my name is Darkness 993, and that's will our show end. Bye guys. See you next time. Video na to, video.